welcome to our vlog. We're back, you know, on the way na kami sa airport, and see you there. Shout out to our daddy. Thank you for his undying support. Thank you for this service, the never-ending service.
A lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. You should hurry up and seal the deal.
Diretso na? Ano? Diretso na daw. 6:54 and kakarating lang namin sa airport. And the flight namin is 10 o'clock pa. So, dito muna kami.
Dito kami pupunta guys.
Diyan.
Yung boarding pass.
See you there.
I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there.
When outside the aircraft, all inflation tags.
Touchdown, Tagbilar.
Hi guys. So, we landed safely and nandito na kami ngayon sa Tagbilaran sa Tagbilaran po. And
Guys, say hi.
airport. Hi.
Tagbilaran to. Guys, waiting na lang po kami sa driver. Papuntang
Kailangan kami sa
Bellevue.
driver para namin. Relax.
Nandito na po yung service namin. Saan po kayo, sir?
Thank you po.
15 minutes from here going to the resort.
Salamat po.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you po.
Peace ba kayo dyan, guys?
Yup.
Kailangan take out yan.
Thank you po. Nila kami ng ganito. Medal.
Medal for honor.
Hi guys, dito na kami sa resort and super ganda. Yup. Dito pa lang kami sa lobby, pero sobrang lupet, ganda na.
Meron kami cold towel at lemongrass. Tikman natin.
Oo.
Sarap! Amazing. Sarap. Kaya natin sa ano natin. Matatanggal yung makeup ko. Lamig.
Oh. I feel alive again.
Para yan?
So, on the way na kami sa room 309 kasi yun lang yung available. Alas 3 pa kasi available yung room. So, doon muna kami katambay sa tigaw ng room. Siguro maglalabs na rin kami maya-maya.
Couldn't embrace the notion that we were meant for something more, something beautiful, something beautiful.
Guys, we're here at our hotel.
Jacuzzi?
This is Bellevue. And look at this.
Now look at this. Yo.
Ganyan itong mga kapatid ko na ito.
Kapaw.
Oh.
Oh my child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt.
Gusto kami kumain. Papunta naman kami ngayon sa kwarto nila mama. Kasi iwalay kami ng kwarto. Kami ni ate, sila ni VJ, sila ni mama. Punta kami ngayon sa kanilang honeymoon room. Honeymoon room. Mali pala yung pinuntahan namin, guys. Hinahanap namin kung nasaan. Saan? This is their room. 540.
All your life you've tried to be a good man inside. Did everything that you thought you should.
Are you ready? Yeah.
Didn't seem to do you any good.
Guys, look. Adjoining room. Amazing. Mag-gym po sila.
Gym body. Guys, busy daw siya eh. Busy siya.
Go, guys.
Tumaw siya ng mga malupitang technique.
Yes.
Workout to workout. Bakit?
Bye.
See you
Ingat.
later.
It'll be alright.
Time check, it's 7 in the evening and di pa bumabalik yung mga kapatid ko. Nag-swimming sila dun sa baba.
I know you tried so hard.
Guys, sunduin namin sila mama. Para mag-dinner. Yeah. Pagbukas po. Madam! Hi! Oh, tulog pa din!
Just hold on tight. It'll be alright.
Morning, guys! Day 2!
Day 2. Let's go!
Ang gagawin namin ngayon ay
Land tour.
land tour.
Pababa na kami ngayon.
But we have to take the breakfast first.
Yup. Para may energy. Yung nagsasalitang yun, tinulugan kami kagabi.
Kaya dami sinasabi ngayon eh. Marami na siyang energy, guys.
Babe, pang-athlete yung ano.
Guys, dito na kami sa van.
Dab-dabo.
Tulog. Guys, para kami nag-leg workout. Leg workout. Ano, ayos ba?
Ayos guys, dati. Sa PowerPoint ko ng teacher ko lang nakikita ito ngayon. Pero sila ko lang nakikita. So cool, dog.
Saan na tayo?
Dito na kami sa Tarsier area.
I'm trying to let go of this heartache. It's been following me around. It wakes me up. It shoots me down.
So guys, ngayon, mag-hunting tayo. Charot.
Anting Tarsier dito sa Bukol.
Tignan natin kung ilan makikita natin.
Kaya ulit kami ng hagdan, no? Kumbaga, workout na rin to, ano? Uy, ari ko.
Nakapag-workout pa ng ano,
Wala sa oras.
wala sa oras. Guys, mahirap manapin yung mga tarsier. Kasi nagko-camouflage sila. Right side. Ayun!
I'm a blind man without escape. I'm the ocean without the waves. The radio's playing songs, telling me that I should try to move on. Don't say
Human size tarsier.
try to let me go. I've always liked to be a stranger, keep my distance from the crowd. Thought that way I wouldn't get hurt, but when I met her it became a blur. She took my principles and turned them
Wala na sila. Sari Manok Resto.
to say sometimes good things end, but I didn't think that it would be this hard for a heart to mend. 'Cause I should know by now how to live without.
We were made for each other to hold on to. I was carved out of redwood beneath your moon. I was birthed in the mountains under the sun. Something's changed, you can't see my face in the crowd no more. Something's changed, you can't see my face in the crowd no more. We are living the dream together.
Tingin po, tingin.
Takes center stage at every single show. But lately it's been distant. I don't know what for. Something's changed. You can't see my face in the crowd no more. Something's changed. You can't see my face in the crowd no more. We were made for each other to hold on to. I was carved out of red.
Game. Pwede pang papalitan na yung model dun ah.
Papansin na kahit dalawa eh, no?
Tutong mo na.
Hi. Dito kami sa Baclayan Church. Hello! Pipicturean ko daw yung nanay ko. Ito na ata yung last namin. Te, ito na ba yung last, destination? Meron pa isa. Ang init. Pero, go lang. Dito naman tayo ngayon guys, saan?
Lad compound.
Blood Cup. Baka naman nandito pa.
Douglas MacArthur.
Totoo ba? Nag-i-invent na naman po.
And General
Pwede na.
Carlos P. Romulo. Hindi, panahon ng Spanish Colonial.
Punta lang kami guys sa baba. Doon ata yung historical. Yan na po sila. Ice cream break. Dahil napakainit.
Ay, yung ewan ko kung anong tama yun. Hindi ko rin masasagot yan dahil hindi ako nasa tourism eh.
Ice cream break.
Guys, ICB. You know what's ICB? Ice cream break. Ang init eh. Kaya kayo dyan.
Yung pawis ko, pinagtatawanan ng kuya ko.
Grabe naman yung tao.
Ba't di ba kayo nagpawisan? Sige pang tulog tayo. Hi guys! Time check is...
Checks, it's 5:36 and punta kami ngayon sa beach para mag picture and abangan yung sunset.
And after nun, mag-swimming na din.
Yup.
Let's go!
Let's go, let's get it, bro!
Ganda ngayon guys, sana may maganda rin yung sunset na. Sana makita dito yung sunset. Kasi kahapon nakita sa kanila kasi hindi kami nakababang dalawa. Kasi yung isa tulog. Guys, ang sarap. Morning guys, breakfast time. Si BJ wala pa. Kasi naligo pa. Then si Kuya, nag-diving siya. Kaya 4 lang kami. 5 pala sa ito. Pakita ko na sila.
Ready na si mama eh.
Hi. Sarap. Ang menu for today ay hotdog, corned beef, may tortang talong, kay mama, may palabok, bacon. Ganon din kay ate. Bye guys, ayun na po yung isa namin kapatid. Hotdog forever. Charot.
Of course.
Kanya nila.
Yan lahat na niluluto sa kanya mo.
Siyempre, hindi ko compare natin kung masarap.
Ilan naman?
Your juice, ma'am.
Outfit for today. Ano, ready ka na? Taga niya nagpa-practice guys ng pantropiko. Hey! Huwag mo lang. Kita ka. Oh, sige. Oh.
Dito kami ngayon sa room nila mama.
Magpipicture-picture kami dito kasi maganda yung view.
Front, ganda
Nila.
yung view.
Look!
Sa room.
This is the view!
You look. You're my best view.
Hey guys! Tag-commute kami ngayon kasi nakabisakyan. Papunta kami sa Alona. Ito kami. Alona Beach? Di ba doon yun? Wala. Ayan doon, sa bar. Kain kami doon. Tingnan natin may ganun meron. Yung mother ko. Oh, si madam. Ito pa isang madam. Ako ang kanilang alipin. Wow, ako. Pero ako yung pinakamaganda sa So guys, yun din. Yung tatlo nandun sa likod din. Ito. Guys, sarado sa bar room. Hanggang 3 PM lang. Ay, balot sa kaya. Lilipat kami sa Fiesta.
Kami mag-banding guys, ano? Cellphone dito, cellphone doon. Ganyan po kami mag-banding pamilya guys.
Ito po yung promotor, oh.
Yan po, ang pinaka-addict.
Pinaka-addict. Ay, hindi na kami ginagawa.
Hindi na mabitawan ng cellphone, parang bata ba?
Photograph of us. Now I'm just sitting here bored at home. got me thinking of the times we took off on the road.
Morning guys, it's our last day today. And babanana boat kami. Ito na kami ngayon sa banana boat. Sad to say, 11 pa ata yung banana boat.
Nag-out na kami.
So, 12 ang out namin. So, baka hindi possible. Wala talaga. Malungkot ang isa. Lahat.
Batang hindi na pagbigyan.
Aww.
Sa Manila, Bay.
Guys, tapos na kami maligo sa swimming pool. Maligo lang kaming lahat, then magbibihis, then check out na kami. Binili namin pabango. Naharap. Binili namin siya sa Naila. Sabi pwede daw basta isisil. So dito naharap.
Sayang, nalibre na.
Kailangan namin i-check-in.
Wala
Pati yung
nga.
sunscreen ni Kuya, tingnan niyo. Oh, sunscreen ni Kuya.
Bigyan niya ako guys habang natutulog. Bastos. Sarap na tulog. Bye-bye. Malapit na kami umuwi. See you, Philippines!
There's something about the way you fix your eyes eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy.
So that's it for this video. See you on my next vlog.
Enjoy this, guys. Bye-bye.
What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, think my heart's turned up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love? When you talk or listen close, there's just something about your voice. I think that every word you say to me is like poetry.